Hello and welcome to How to Read Your Blood Oxygen Level with Online Booth. Today we're going to read your blood oxygen level. This unit, which describes the amount of oxygen stored within the blood, can be useful for many things, such as finding out how much oxygen is in your blood, working out your BPM or heart rate, solving complicated maths, and measuring the amount of oxygen contained in your blood. Now this is very important, as every normal, well-adjusted adult should know exactly how much oxygen is in their blood at any one given time, else they are a catastrophic failure of a human being and should be thrown into the pit. First, you buy your handy-dandy blood oxygen meter. This retails anything from free from the shop you steal it from to 30 Great British pounds. Now, in order to read your blood oxygen level, that is, to find out how much oxygen is in your blood, you must use this meter. Simply place the blood oxygen meter, or oximeter, on your finger like so. It is now on my finger. This useful device should inevitably tell you how much oxygen is in your blood. Now, switch on the blood oxygen meter by pressing the button. Wait for the screen to light up so that you know it's on. Now, place it on your finger. Tight. Within mere moments, the blood oxygen meter should regale you with this information, which is how much oxygen is contained in your blood. Ding dong, eureka! The blood oxygen meter has arrived at its conclusion. I've got H6 blood and 9 litres. Alas, my blood oxygen level seems to be way off. Perhaps this machine is defective. For I am a fool. My blood oxygen level was being read upside down. I shall now tell you the true result of my blood oxygen level test. My blood oxygen level is 96%. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully this video has given you some guidance as to how to read your blood oxygen level.